Oh, we're going down this thing again. Alright, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another Supermoto video. I know, I'm sorry. I promised to be more Grom content. I had to get back on this guy. I put the RSC on, a new one. We're talking about the clutch lever here. Popping a lot easier, so I just did a couple little small wheelies and she pops. So today we are doing a little sumo group ride. I'm heading over to the gas station. We're gonna meet up with some sumo people, some new people, and then a couple of the regulars. And yeah, we're just gonna have some fun on the sumo. First one here. It's so weird. So this is like when I first joined the Tampa Grom squad, or it was the Bay Area Groms at the time. We'd go on group rides and there was literally nobody there. It was like me and like 3 other people: Steve-O, Andrew, Wally, some of the OGs that are no longer with the group anymore. So the Grom moved on to bigger and better things. But this is what it looked like back in the day. You'd show up to a group ride and there'd just be me or one other guy. And this is what we're coming into with the sumo in the Tampa Bay area. But I got a feeling we're going to change that. A lot of my buddies are talking about getting Supermotos, and yeah, hopefully in a couple months you'll see sumos all the way down here, and then we'll take over the streets on sumos. Someone made a funny comment. They said, stand by for 2020. It's going to be Photogromer on a Busa. I like your optimism, but I don't think we'll ever go to the Busa route. Anyway, I'm going to sit here by myself, talk to Team Snap. Team Snap, where you at? And wait for the rest of the guys to show up. We got a couple more stops before we start the ride. All right, we'll be right back with more people. All right, we got 5 of us now. Gonna go do things. I'll give you $100 if you lay down in front of this thing.
Oh, that's super.
Yeah, let it tickle your pickle. Tickle your pickle. Oh, she just got scared. She's screaming. She was talking shit and then she started screaming. Those cops there? Yeah, it looks like it. Did you bring the cops? You're in a tow-away zone, any handicap spot. Cops are here. Oh no. Okay. Landon's back again. Sumo squad has grown a little bit more. The valet say pop it up. There's a fucking Sequoia in front of us. Come on, valet, get your shit together. Cool. That's your clutch. Stop, stop. Not cool at all. That was his clutch, man. Alright, we're down in Ybor again. I promised not Christmas. I don't know what's going on with the Christmas lights. We can fit 2 up here. I mean, I was going to put you over. That's alright. You can come over here. This dude right here, looks like you should get a quest from him. We're done with pizza. Now the ride starts. But first, we got to see what our quest is. Do wheelies? You got it, bud. Oh shit. We get gas? I guess we're getting gas. There's no way around. I guess there's always this way around. Sumo Squad. I don't think dude leading us has ever been on a group ride before. Oh shit, here comes the cops. Cops, 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 cops. Don't pull me over. Was the last one to hop the curb. Cap's getting some gas so he can chase us down. He's waiting for his backup, man. Keep your key on. Don't go in, they're gonna lock you in the gas station. Had 2 shots fired. See if he jumps. Good luck. We're going to find some places to fuck around on. That's what I've been told. Enjoy. Got a much bigger squad tonight, so there might be limited talking, but you know, enjoy the show. I know you guys don't subscribe just for my voice, so I'll try to be quiet this time. Oh fuck. Maybe not if Lewis keeps doing that in front of me. So when we go to Dallas, Lewis is going to be borrowing this guy, CRF 250, right there. Oh, we're going down this thing again. There's a cop right there. There they are. That was a little sketchy. Alright, we're all up here in our little cubby now.
We've got 2 ways out, 3 ways out.
Yeah,
So if he comes in, we're...
Yeah. We got 4. Hop this motherfucker.
Yeah, that's true.
I can ramp this bitch. Alright, they're working on something. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 fucking bikes up here now.
When you bring your good camera one time, let's line all the bikes up here because the light on the overpass looks sick.
I gotta figure out a way to bring it. I don't want to, until I get like comfortable with the wheelies, I don't, in the backpack will be fucking done.
What about those like slings?
Yeah, but I had a sling. It's just, when you pop up a wheelie, like it comes around and it's fucking like if you go like left or right, yeah, it starts like fucking you up on balance. Yeah. I mean, I can do a regular backpack. It's not crazy. I don't want to fuck with it yet. Alright, so when we go to Dallas, this is what Lewis is going to be borrowing. So shout out to the Dallas Slow Flash crew, hooking it up. You got a kickstart too, in case shit goes trouble?
I'm push starting it. Screw kickstart.
Dude.
I'm running with it and jumping on. There's one.
Oh yeah?
Good?
Yeah, let's roll. Let's get the fuck out of here. Alright, I'm gonna do better going down this time. Oh yeah, I just need to give it more handbrake. That's where I fucked up. We're in a dipset before the fucking cops come this way. Is the homeless dude still up there? Yeah. Homeless dude cleared out. Move it. Oh, jump it, jump it, jump it, jump it. Alright, we're out of here. I never went this way before, but apparently it turns into dirt at some point. Oh, there's the dirt. Oh fuck, the grass is all slippery. Fuck that. I'm good. It's not even really a jump. It's like a whoopty. Lewis just turns around. He's going off in the forest. There's so much happening. Lewis doing circles up there. He's doing whoopties. He's liking it. Oh, whoa! Oh. Hey, hey, hey! You're shooting out fuel or coolant. You made it mad. We've overstayed our welcome here. CRF 250's pissing out coolant. We're gonna move on. says dusty roads. Ah, my visor is down. Damn, I'm still getting dust in here. Where the fuck are we going? Oh shit. Big ol'. It's not good to be in the back for this shit. Rest in peace, GoPro. Oh fuck. God, I think we're in the city dump. This is where baby Gromer's diapers go. Oh, look at these whoopties. Holy shit, look at this. Oh man, I can't, my headlight's so bad. Fuck it. Alright, it's fucking pitch black. Alright, we're gonna leave the makeout point and go towards the lot, but first we gotta go through the hood. You know what that means. Some fucking hood wheelies. You gotta fucking hit me with his rear peg and a nut. Phone's all dusty. Yeah. 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 There we go. Alright. Here we go. He's trying to get me to 300,000 subscribers by doing wheelies. I want to try fourth. Nope. Nope. Smooth. Damn, they got the door open and everything. Oh shit. I'm not following him anymore. He's gonna come back to us. Oh, the fire hydrant right there! Jesus! He almost fucking curb stomped that fire hydrant. Oh, cop, 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 cop! Cop, cop! 2 cops. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, he's got his lights ready. Oh shit. Oh, we're in the hood where they appreciate wheelies. As soon as we make the first turn, there's like 3 guys saying pop it up. Hey, Grom! Hey, it's Booth! Come on, come on, come on! It's Booth! Yeah! It's fucking Booth! Booth! What's up, player?
What is this?
Sumo Squad! You can't hang? What's up, man? Saw your perm in the wind.
Boy, where you
I miss you,
at,
buddy. Got Jay Booth here, the last member of the Tampa Grom Squad. Tampa Grom Squad of 1. It's all about the sumo life now. Huh?
Say last member?
Yeah, last member.
I was just bullshitting. And you know this, man.